Welcome to our Countertop Ice Maker Showdown. Today, we're comparing two fantastic products that promise to keep your drinks cool and refreshing. On one side, we have the Free Village Countertop Ice Maker, which can produce 9 bullet-shaped ice cubes in just 6 minutes. On the other side, we have the Igloo self-cleaning Countertop Ice Maker, which creates 26 pounds of ice per day and features a sleek stainless steel design. Let's dive into the details and see how they stack up against each other. When it comes to ice production speed, the Free Village model takes the lead, producing 9 ice cubes in just 6 minutes. This is perfect for those who need ice quickly for parties or gatherings. In contrast, the Igloo model takes a bit longer, producing 8 cubes in approximately 7 to 8 minutes. While both machines can produce a substantial amount of ice daily, the Free Village is ideal for those who prioritize speed. In terms of design, the Igloo Ice Maker stands out with its sleek stainless steel finish, making it a stylish addition to any kitchen. It is also slightly more compact, fitting well in tighter spaces. On the other hand, the Free Village model, while slightly larger, features an integrated carrying handle, making it easier to transport. If aesthetics are your priority, the Igloo is the way to go, but for portability, the Free Village has the edge. Both machines come equipped with self-cleaning features, which are essential for maintaining hygiene and performance. The Free Village model requires a simple 5-second button press to activate its self-cleaning function, while the Igloo model also offers ease of use with its single-button operation. However, the Free Village's user-friendly design may appeal more to those who appreciate straightforward functionality. In conclusion, both the Free Village and Igloo Countertop Ice Makers offer excellent features and performance for their price points. If you need ice quickly and value portability, the Free Village is your best bet. However, if you prefer a stylish design and compact size, the Igloo is a fantastic choice. Whichever you choose, you'll be enjoying refreshing drinks in no time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.